Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps. You come to apps list here and here you're looking for WordPress app. Or just click on search. Then here add WordPress is going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.